Hi, this is Johnny Shell with SGIA, and here's today's Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hi, this is Andy from Sawgrass, and this is today's tech tip. We're going to be cleaning the head, around the head area. Release the head, get into the capping station, and we want to wipe around the perimeter where the seal is made when the head goes to the capping station to clear out any nozzle loss. Using a lint-free wipe so we don't leave anything behind, so that that's clean and ready. And we're also going to touch into the wiper blade as the only thing that hits the head. Make sure that's got no lint on it or other dirt or other factors. Put the head back in place, and we're ready to print. And that's today's tech tip.